Hello, welcome to Eat Round this evening. I am Daedran. Jacure is back. Just back with music though. The incarcerated DJ is gearing up to drop his 2023 album Undeniable this February. Over the weekend, his official Instagram page shared the artwork and the track list, which sees 11 songs with the title track at number 1, a collab with young female South of Florida, Kaylan Ireland, and pre-released a track Everything with Afrobeat star Stonebwoy at number 2. Stonebwoy and Jacure were in the island around a year ago working on the track. Here's a snippet of that session.
One of them we complete a few already. Respect from Jamaica to Ghana.
One love.
Brothers.
Big thing, family thing, you don't know now. Watch it. Listen. I want God again.
Think about coming close to me, come on, I know we stay now.
Yeah.
Jacure is currently serving a 6-year prison sentence for attempted manslaughter in the Netherlands. He has been incarcerated since October 2021. Valiant named artist to watch. In an article by British Vogue Online, Valiant is one of the 9 artists to watch for 2023. According to the article in Vogue, Valiant is making huge waves in Jamaica, making history as the first artist to have 5 songs simultaneously top the country's YouTube chart. Adding that Valiant first started to shape the culture through TikTok, creating a new slang term when he said "Kachi Atalai" in a viral video. It went on to say that he brings his own dark, fervent flow to dancehall, describing his sound as trapper gospel. Valiant was recently billed as one of the headliners for Sting and warmed the hearts of many as he gave an impromptu performance in the parking lot to his fans after the show was shut down prematurely. Valiant's breakout single Don't Stick also made heads turn when a video circulated showing him recording an election campaign dub plate for Antigua and Barbuda's Prime Minister Gaston Brown. Kachi Atalai.
Yes, stand on the place, you PP upset. Love Lily no one done set. Yes, pull it down. Master the craft run the country. Love Lily don't have no intellect, no subject. None. Oh, you for run the country.